Hello, my soap lovers. This is ZESTA Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. Are you looking for the best cut for your soap? Are you looking for the way you get even and clean edges? Are you looking for that cutter that will give you the perfect shape you want? Be it Cameroon size? Are you looking for stamps? Are you looking for who will teach you? Are you looking for customized stamps and logos? Are you looking for how to make soap that has the same size with that in the market? Put grooves, trim your edges, cut it neatly for you. What you're looking for in Sokoto is here in your Shokoto. See me here, see soaps I cut with my cutter. You can see them neat. See the way you can arrange them in your carton effortlessly. Even African black soap that I made, that other one that just passed now, I made it and I cut with my cutter. See how neat they are. See vibrant colors. All this, see this soap. Abeg, see soap now. See cutting, any size. Our cutter can cut more than 15 sizes, be it laundry soap or bathing soap or hotel size. And these sizes I just mentioned, any size in between, variations, different variations, it can give you. You don't need another cutter once you have it. It will cut logs for you if you want to cut your soap in logs and sell. It will cut pieces for you if you want to cut in pieces. Big size laundry soap, small size laundry soap, square shape. We have the cutter that will give you square shape. So once you have our cutters, in short, you are okay. See our molds. If you want double mold, you want lined mold, this is a line mold. And each of our cutters, there's one that come with two mold. There's one that come with one mold. If you already have a cutter myself and you just want edge trimmer, groove maker will make for you. Let's say you are a homemade soap maker, you just make for your house. We have cutter for you. If you are into commercial soap making, we have cutter for you. If you are into private soap making, we have cutter for you. Patronize us. We are the best when it comes to soap cutters. You enjoy our cutters. They are effortless. See our mold. Easy. This one is another different design that comes lined. Your own is just to pour your soap and then open it up. Remove your soap. Cut. No stress. What are you waiting for? Come and patronize us. Patronize ZESTA Herbal Soap. See my son. He's frowning his face. He's tired of packing cutters. See our double mold. See how beautiful it is. See how beautiful it is. But you know me, I'm very honest, so I will not lie. The only problem we do get at times is with these way bill people. We try our best, but way bill people at times we get issues with them. But if not, we don't have problem. We don't have problem. We give you the best. And that way bill issue is a Nigerian issue. It's not that it is only us, so it's a Nigerian issue generally. You know our transport system get as a B. Even most of these big companies that do way bill, we've tried them. None is perfect. Me, I don't know how to lie. But honestly, when it comes to affordable and good cutters, your best plug, the person that you know is honest, will not cheat you out of your money. What I say is what it is. I don't have energy to lie you because me, I don't know how to lie. That's the truth. So if I tell you this cutter is good, take it from me, it is good. If I tell you buy it from me, believe you me, buy it from me. You want to learn how to make soap, fine. You want to buy any other thing myself, not necessarily cutters. People send me to buy wrappers. People send me to buy food. People send me to make things for them, different things. If I can, I will. If I cannot, I'll tell you, I cannot make this thing. If you want training, no, in an organization, no, one-on-one, no, in an online class, or physical, or all we are there. Even if you want me to come to London to teach how to make soap, I'll come. So far as you shoulder the transport, I'll not even ask you for fee again. Just shoulder my transport and make sure I leave Nigeria and come back to Nigeria. Fine. Shikena. That's the most important thing. Already, this soap making is like a passion to me. It's something I love doing. So you can see different cutters from different parts of the country. Some from Asaba, some from Lagos, some made from Maiduguri. All they ask us to make cutters for us, for them. So don't be afraid of us. So the way you see us, that's how we are. We are as honest as can be. Okay. So I believe you will come to us. I believe you order for your stamps. I believe you order for your cutters. I believe if you need training, your best plug is Zesta Herbal Soap. The only thing you have to calm down and be ready to learn. You have to be ready to read. You have to be ready to do some calculations. Once you're willing to do that, soap making is like a breeze, and we are one of the cheapest. 5,000 naira, you learn how to make any kind of soap. We don't charge you 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000 for only one type of soap. No. Everything together, you only limit yourself. But so far as you're willing to learn everything, you see quarters, see quarters. What are you waiting for? Come and order from us. We are Zesta Herbal Soap, skincare and lifestyle. I am your Mama Z, your best plug, your friend in this soap making business. I believe if you cannot buy plodder, this our manual soap cutter will give you exactly what plodder will give you. Neat cut. So far as you make your soap and it's smooth, this manual soap cutter will cut it for you smooth and clean. Put grooves for you. Trim your edges. It will do that for you. Okay? You know things are not easy in Nigeria. So we have to start small. Start from somewhere. Come and buy our cutter. If it is small one you want to, we have. Medium size, we have. Big size, we have. Even if it is customized to have, we are willing to make for you. So money is not an issue. You must not start big. You can start from somewhere. I and our team, we are always waiting. We are always willing. We are always ready for you. Thank you so very much. I know, and I'll be waiting for your call. Ciao.